Come test drive the 2024 INFINITI QX60. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, heads-up display, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, power tilting steering wheel, tinted glass. The INFINITI QX60 is the perfect blend of luxury and practicality. This crossover SUV not only provides ample space for passengers and cargo, but also an interior that screams luxury. In addition, the QX60 offers extremely high levels of safety, all with a sleek new design.